My journey into the drone world was triggered by saving a life as a beach lifeguard.
I will co-lead the Aviation Policy and Strategy Division at FOCA.
I see this is an excellent place for women, the drone ecosystem.
We started using drones to see if we could spot any hazardous sharks. And in that time, I invented many products that you see sort of around as well.
Our main focus is looking into a future where any emergency service could task a drone on demand and have a drone arrive at an emergency within 5 minutes.
And I think that you always have to go with what you're most passionate about.
Put yourself out there, show people what you're doing, value what you do and your knowledge.
You will be pushed in places where you don't want to be. People are going to treat you not nice. You cannot stop because it happens. It will happen. But you need to keep going.
Have confidence in yourself is the most important thing. Speak up. Women have a lot to say.
Search for dronetalks.online to find out how you can get involved.